I'm sorry, I'm cleaning as usual. So cleaning after someone is making messy my office. Okay, let's wait. I will try to be with you guys. Hello, today's lesson about cleaning. I'm Violetta with my Russian friend. He's disappeared. Maybe he doesn't like to clean with me. Okay, I remember it. So let's start about cleaning, since this serious and important word. Clean, it means уборка. Let's clean together if you're bored to do it. Cleaning make this word so important in your life. So clean, okay, I starting my cleaning with a sweep. So I sweep with my broom. Sweep means подметать. Подметать. This is a broom. It means метла. Let's say метла. So I put here метла. Okay, метла or веник. A lot of Russians use it like веник. It's better, but веник it's a bit different. Веник it's not. This is a метла, like I have метла. But веник it's a smaller. Maybe you have it. My granny has. So it's like look like this and small one. Oh, okay. Can you understand what I mean? Веник. Веник. Okay. Веник. So next one. This is a ведро. Ведро. It's so important for the mop. For the mopping your floor, you have швабра. Швабра. Okay, what is that? I try to. Швабра. Швабra, instead of take my broom, or maybe someone take a broom, put it here, like change this stuff here, and it can be швабра. Швабра. So mopping your floor. Мыть пол. Пол. Мыть пол. Vacuum. Vacuum, you know what does that mean? Vacuum cleaner. Пылесос. 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 Пылесосить. Пылесосить. It means vacuum your floor or flat. So if you have some dust or some mess in your table, you are wiping. So wipe your table, it means протирать. Протирать твой стол. Wiping your table. So scrub, you know that it's mean. If you're going to the bathroom and you take something in your hand to scrub it, I don't know, maybe brush, not brushing toothbrush or something different, bigger one. Maybe someone who doesn't have take it as brush teeth, but okay. Toothbrush is for another cleaning. So this scrub with some brush, you can take it and scrub it. Means чистить. Чистить щеткой. What does it mean? It means scrubbing for scrubbing your floor or your bathroom by this I don't know, something what you take for it. You see, I have a lot in my head now what I can take it to scrub my bathroom, everything, I think. Everything to take to have to be clean my bathroom, I can take. So dust, of course, we have dust everywhere. So if you open your book and you blow it, it means you're make everywhere like so dusty. So dust can be everywhere, but you have to be careful because it can be allergy, or some allergic person can be close to you and you have to care. So dust, it means пыль, пыль, пыль. You have to wipe every table and everything around you. So clean yourself, clean your house, clean your office, and don't make your territory around you so messy. So I hope our lesson help you to be clean, and the next lesson maybe I can help you and other stuff to do.